him no problem. Good morning. My name is Tom. Welcome to the state of Maine. I come to you from northern Maine. We're in the middle of September, roughly, and I'm in preparation for deer season. It's been kind of a weird year up here. This year it's been very dry, so I got a feeling things might be a little better for the area that I hunt because of that. Only time will tell. Hunting here in the state of Maine is not an easy task. One thing you don't see a lot of on the television, in the reality shows, or even in these YouTube videos, is you don't see the professional movie-making deer hunters come to the state of Maine to shoot their movies. There's a reason for that. This is a very difficult state to hunt a buck in. The reason for it is it's a very big state, and it is thicker than thieves. Most of the places that you hunt in this state. We have big bogs, big swamps, cedar thickets. You can't walk a straight line through the woods here in the state of Maine. And most of your shots on a buck are probably less than 50 yards when you are hunting in the woods, because you can't see further than 50 yards. So you have to learn how to hunt deer and be right smack on top of them. It's illegal to feed deer in this state, so there's no feeders out there like you see in other videos from the professional hunters. Also from the professional hunters, the deer aren't fenced in here. I have approximately 150 square miles that I deer hunt on. Most of that, I primarily hunt 30 square miles, but I have access to 150 square miles. Just logging roads, paper company land, stuff like that. So that is why you don't see the professional reality deer hunters doing their videos in the state of Maine. I guarantee it. There is no fences. You don't build wooden runways for the deer to be funneled right into where you want to hunt. That just would be useless in this state because of the cover and because of how much ground that there is. So I hope I'm poking a little bit of fun at them guys. There's a reason that you don't see the professional reality deer hunters coming up here in this state to make their movies on how they hunt. It is just plain too thick. Our weather probably plays into a lot of that. By the time deer season gets here, especially in northern Maine, the temperatures are pretty cold. So it's a whole different ball of wax than what I watch on the television and what I watch on YouTube from some of the deer hunting scenarios that I see south of here. It's just a lot bigger piece of country up here that I don't believe until you've hunted it you can probably even fathom what it takes to hunt northern Maine for a buck. I watched something the other day. It was they call it a poor man's ram, a goat. You know, you can pay thousands of dollars to go hunt the real thing. And this was a farm. I believe it was in Texas, but I'm not sure. But anyways, the guy had this ram out there, big horns. And I don't believe it was in, I think it was like a 50-acre pen. And he said that ram was worth $10,000 because that's what poor man ram hunter would come and pay to shoot. Now, I think that's pretty pathetic. The guy, I mean, they were walking right up to the thing because the guy feeds it every day. And some bigwig hunter coming in with 10 grand in his pocket is going to pay to shoot that thing. Where I come from, that just doesn't make any sense. But I guess to each his own.